Welcome back to Future Car, the home of next-generation machines, insane horsepower, and the wildest automotive dreams on the planet. Today we are diving into the world of the 2026 Muscle Car Hub, a machine built to bring back the golden age of American muscle while pushing performance into the future. This car is loud, aggressive, futuristic, and designed for people who still believe driving should make your heart race every single second. The 2026 Muscle Car Hub is not just another sports car. It is a statement. In a world full of silent electric crossovers and boring designs, this beast arrives with a massive attitude. From the first look, you can immediately tell this machine was designed to dominate streets, highways, and social media feeds. The front end looks sharp and muscular with an oversized black grille, ultra-slim LED headlights, aggressive air vents, and a low stance that screams pure power. As you walk around the car, the body lines become even more dramatic. Wide fenders, massive alloy wheels, aerodynamic side skirts, and a bold rear diffuser create a perfect combination of old-school muscle and futuristic engineering. The rear lights stretch across the back with a glowing LED bar that looks straight out of a science fiction movie. Every inch of this car feels powerful, bold, and designed to grab attention from every angle. Under the hood is where things become truly insane. The 2026 Muscle Car Hub is expected to feature a twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing more than 850 horsepower. Some reports even suggest a hybrid performance setup could push the output close to 1,000 horsepower. Imagine pressing the accelerator and feeling the car launch forward like a rocket. The exhaust note is deep, aggressive, and powerful enough to shake the ground around you. Performance numbers are absolutely crazy. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint is expected to happen in under 3 seconds, putting this machine in supercar territory. The top speed could exceed 220 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest muscle cars ever built. Despite all this power, the advanced suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive system keep the car stable and controllable even at extreme speeds. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Muscle Car Hub looks futuristic and luxurious at the same time. The interior combines racing-inspired styling with advanced technology. Premium leather seats with illuminated stitching, carbon fiber trim, ambient lighting, and a massive curved digital display create an experience that feels modern and premium. The driver-focused cockpit gives you complete control over every feature with customizable performance settings, launch control, drive modes, and real-time performance data. The steering wheel looks straight out of a racing simulator with touch-sensitive controls and paddle shifters. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and advanced navigation features. A premium surround sound system turns every drive into a concert experience. Even the climate control system uses smart technology to adjust temperature automatically based on outside weather and driving conditions. Safety has also been upgraded in a massive way. The 2026 Muscle Car Hub includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera